Hi friends, I believe during the tough time of lockdown, this is one of the best opportunity to connect and interact with each other. Hence, I decided to start this motivational series. And today is the first session, which we are calling as There is a Salesman in Each One of Us, which includes you too. You must be thinking, what am I talking about? Well, in my 22 years of corporate exposure, I have seen two types of people. People who are very active, very interested and highly motivated to work in sales. And there are people who hates to be anywhere close near to sales. Well, I was trying to evaluate why. There are disadvantages of sales and there is no doubt about that. The target pressure is really huge. Travel is expensive, In sales, you cannot have a comfortable environment sitting in AC. In sales, it's more like you'll have to achieve it. I don't know how. In sales, naturally, in a culture, in an organization culture where it's abusive, the sales environment also becomes very, very abusive. So people try to avoid it. However, if you compare this with advantages, there are multiple advantages also. Sales offers the best rewards and recognition possible. Your earning opportunity is more since there are incentives in sales. In sales offers more independence too, because if you achieve your target, nobody will question how, neither anybody will question about your whereabouts. Also, sales offers faster career growth. However, the objective of today's session is not to outweigh advantages of sales against disadvantages, neither the vice versa. Today we are here to show you that there is a salesman in each one of you, which includes me. How? Well, when we were newborn, we used to cry and we used to get food. And when we used to smile, we used to get hugs and kisses. Just think, just introspect. What were we trying to do? When you were hungry, you were crying. Don't you feel you were trying to communicate so that you get the thing that you desire? When you were happy, you were smiling. Don't you feel you were trying to communicate and get the things what you desire? Don't you feel this is also sales? As a child, we used to go hug our parents, kiss our parents before asking for that expensive dress or that funny toy or that pen or that eraser. Don't you feel you were trying to build some rapport before selling and asking for the product that you need? Don't you feel this was also sales? Well, as a student in that college or in that university, when you were facing the group discussion, when you were facing that interviews in a tough competitive environment, what were you trying to do? Were you not trying to sell yourselves for that limited seats which were available? As an employee, all the job interviews that you have faced, what were you trying to do? Were you not trying to evaluate your employer's requirement and trying to match your knowledge, your skills against that? Don't you feel you were trying to do a need analysis and then position your product against that? And what was the product? The product was you. In a relationship market, whether it's an arranged marriage or a love marriage or a live-in relationship, don't you feel you are trying to evaluate your partners all the time? And in return, you are getting evaluated too. Don't you feel you are trying to prove yourself as the best possible match to your partner? So friends, whether you accept it or not, life is a marketplace. And you are trying to continuously sell yourself in that marketplace. Most of the time successfully, sometimes unsuccessful. But that doesn't matter, because this is one sales where you are always confident and you never shy away. Why? Because you are confident about the product. And what is the product? The product is you. And nobody knows this product better than you. So friends, the trick of the trade in sales is you should know your product well. And you should know your product's shortcomings well, so that you are able to position your advantages better and hide the shortcomings. There is a method to that also, and we will talk about that method, but later. However, I'll end the session with only one say, and that is that don't ever shy away from sales and be proud to say, yes, I am a salesman. Well, I'll wait for your feedback, whether you like the session or not. Till that time, goodbye and all the best.